Hello, friends. Welcome to Akulmach Live, and I'm your host Chandrakant. There has been a lot of worry about AI coming over, and this actually requires new skills to be learned. And we do not know where to start, and there is a big worry that since AI is going to be here, I'm going to lose my job. In fact, I did a research, and which I will talk about today. As per the research, in fact, there are new 7 roles being created just because AI is there. And trust me on this, all of these roles are for non-techies. So if you are thinking that the AI is coming in a big way, which is going to take my job, what is going to happen? Worry not, because I've done research. I'm going to talk about all these 7 new roles which are now available open for non-techies. How much job salary you can earn in these roles, and what are the job skills required for this. So stay tuned. Let's start our discussion. And the first role is the role of AI ethics professional. AI ethics professional will attract a salary of about 8 to 12 lakh rupees in India to begin with. This is a starting salary, and the basic skill sets that may be required for AI's for the AI role is to understand the ethical principles, familiarity with AI technologies, and strong analytical skills. Now, none of these skills are technical in nature. You don't need to understand the programming, and this is something which you need to. If you want to basically look for this particular role, you will require some sort of non-technical skill sets which may be very useful for you, and you can earn a great amount of salary for yourself. So the first role is AI ethics professional, which is open, and these are new roles which are available in the market. Now let's look at the next role which is now open, new position which is now open, and that is the AI compliance officer. AI compliance officer attracts annual earning of 9 to 13 lakhs, a substantial amount, starting salary of 9 to 13 lakhs. And the basic skill sets required for AI compliance officer is the knowledge of AI regulations and compliance management and analytical skills. So it's very important to know about the AI regulation, because AI as of now is unregulated, but a lot of governments and a lot of officers are talking about putting some sort of regulations on the AI. So once the regulation comes in, the compliance officer will be required to adhere to these regulations, and therefore this is an important skill, very important skill. So you need to learn about various regulations. In fact, right now you can get into this and understand what are the regulations which are still present or not present, and prepare yourself, future ready yourself for compliance management. And also you must have analytical skills. So this is a second role. Now let's look at the next one on our list, and that is the AI consultant. AI consultant is going to attract the starting salary of 10 to 15 lakhs per annum, and this role will require the knowledge of AI technologies. I mean, here you must understand the technology behind it, not really a technical skill. It's understanding of the technology which are required in any AI roles. Project management skills and strategic thinking, very important. Project management skills are definitely required for AI consultant, because if somebody engages you for for a project where you need to provide the entire end-to-end consulting services for carrying on the project, AI project end to end, then you must have this skill, which is the project management skill. And since any management skill requires strategic thinking, so you must be very strategic in your mind. Now again, these skill sets are non-technical in nature. These are all management skills. So this is a role which is open for the management trainees or management graduates, and these are the roles which are available now. Let's look at the next one on our list, and that is the prompt engineer. Lots have been talked about the prompt engineer. People are saying that, hey, that is the highest paying job. So I did the research and I found that the prompt engineer is definitely an emerging job profile. And as of now, prompt engineers are being hired for a salary of 6 to 10 lakhs. 6 to 10 lakh. All right. And the skill sets required for prompt engineering are creativity, basically. Very, very important, because you need to be very clear about how you're going to talk to the AI, because prompt engineering requires how do you communicate with the AI. So creativity, very, very important. Problem solving skills, because if somebody tells you, hey, I need this kind of result from an AI, prompt engineer's job is to basically creatively create that command, or it's a plain English command, but you need to be very creative. And in order to create that command, you need to have the problem solving skills, because what is the result that you desire from the AI, you have to be basically very clear about in terms of how do you put it across to the AI. Because if you don't have that skill, the problem solving skills or creativity skills, then you will not be a very good prompt engineer. And also natural NLP, natural language processing, which is the language of the mind. So again, these are non-technical skills. Creativity is definitely a non-technical. Problem solving is also non-technical. So if you think that you have these skills, then you can start your career in the area of AI as a prompt engineer. Very, very lucrative, and many people can fit into this profile. All right, let's move to the next one on our list. And this is the artificial intelligence writer, AI writer. And this role can attract starting salary of 7 to 11 lakh. Artificial intelligence writer. And this is again a non-technical skill. Let's look at what skills required for this. It's basically the strong writing skills. You would need strong writing, very creative writing skills. So people who were actually doing creative writing can apply for this role, which is the AI writer. And because this requires, the first important skill to have is the strong writing skills and knowledge of AI tools. So what are the AI tools? How these are all basic things. Even if you use Excel or a Word, you would need to know how to use Word, how to use Excel. So similarly, there are several AI tools are there. There are several of them, and you should know how to use them. So if you want to become an AI writer, artificial intelligence writer, then, and if you are a technical writer already having some experience in writing skills, then you can upgrade yourself and familiarize yourself with the AI tools which are available, maybe one or two, and then add those tools in your CV, and then you know exactly what to basically chase, what kind of jobs you need to chase. You can you can say that I know these tools and I am very familiar with creative writing. And also adaptability. So these are all non-technical skills. If you are a creative writer, content writer, already having a career in that space, you want to get into AI, there is a huge demand for artificial intelligence writers with your skills, non-technical skills, and you can actually look for these. All you need to do is, for a week or 2 weeks, learn various AI tools which are available in the market. All right, let's look at the next job on our list. That is the AI project manager. AI project manager can attract salary of 12 to 18 lakhs per annum. And the skills required for AI project manager is basically the project management skills. You must have organizational skills and understanding of AI project requirement. So this is a typical project management where you are a leader. Basically, if you have the leadership skills, and if you have understanding of how various teams function, promotions are given, layoffs are done, work has to be, timelines have to be adhered to, break down various requirements of the client into chunks of activities which your team will do and deliver on time. So if these are the skills that you have, again, non-technical skills, these are all team management, leadership quality skills. And then you have to understand the AI project requirement. That means you must have the skill to talk to the stakeholders, which could be your boss or could be your end customer. If you are having these skills, then you can actually look for AI project manager role today. These are the roles which are in great demand, especially in the area of AI. And as you know, friends, AI is going to come in a very big way. In fact, already it is touching our lives. So, this list has been developed by me looking at the various market realities. All right, let's move to the next one. And that is the AI sales and marketing specialist. AI sales and marketing specialist can get you a job with annual earning of 8 to 14 lakhs per annum. All right. So what skills required for AI sales, guys? Which is the sales skills? Of course, you need to have the sales skills, and you need to have market knowledge, understanding of AI products. So these are the skills required for AI sales and marketing roles, where of course sales skills are required, negotiations, proposal making, in terms of when you look at the proposals, then profitability has to be there. You can't go and sell for any price. You have to be answerable to your organization. These are all sales skills. Then market knowledge, where you will actually spend your energies, sales energy, who's going to buy from you, who's not going to buy from you. So all those market knowledge you must have, and understanding of AI products. So you must understand what products you are selling, because without understanding, how can you sell, right? So you can understand. Again, these are all non-technical skills which a sales guy must have, and therefore, if there are AI products being sold by a company, they will definitely need sales guys to sell those products. So here you are. These are the 7 skills which are required for all the AI companies, all the AI initiatives. I have actually told you how much salary you can get and what are the basic skill sets required for getting into those jobs. If you have any question, do not hesitate to write back. And thanks for watching me live. I will catch you again in the next one.